Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Look, today y'all, as you can see behind me, you're probably wondering if you watch my channel, where's all the bags? Well, I didn't get robbed, and I didn't sell all the bags. They are actually in storage. We're in the process of moving to a new house and selling our current home, so it's a long process, and everything had to go to storage just to be able to show the house because I don't want to get robbed from my bags. So that's the reason everything's so bare in this room, and I don't have anything in my shelves anymore. I do have a couple of bags I kept out just to use, while we're moving, but because I got to have my bags, and I saved out my Coach Empire. It's right behind me there. I had to have that baby. But anyway, we're going to unbox a couple of bags that I did get and I have had for a couple of weeks. I have one that is a bag that's sold out. Actually, I believe both of these bags are actually sold out from Coach. So one of the bags is the large Suede Rowan, which we're going to unbox on this video, and then come back for a separate video of the bigger turn lock in the Love Leather. I have that one as well. They're both sold out on Coach, and you can't really find those bags anywhere else except on secondary market. But before we get into opening up this Rowan I got from Coach, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's going to be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there and shopping links as well, so check those out. And if everybody could just take a moment and give me a thumbs up for a like on this video, I do appreciate y'all. And let's go ahead, let's get on and unbox. I've got my little cutter here. We're gonna cut into this box that's been sitting in my closet here for 2 weeks, and we're gonna see what we've got here. Hopefully this is gonna be the Suede Rowan in the large size. I couldn't get it on the first go round, and they restocked it and I was able to actually get it. So I'm really excited about that because I always seem to miss out on the Rowans. The denim one that came out a while back that everybody sold out on the outlet, I wasn't able to get and still don't have one. But if anybody ever has one for sale, please notify me. I'd love to have one. I don't think I have any of the large Rowans, so this is probably gonna be my first one. So there it is in the box. Let's get her out and see how she looks. All right. Looks like the packaging is really good. Coach did a good job. They've been kind of weird on their packaging lately. I've had some zonks from Coach, but let me get rid of this box here. All right, so let's free up this beautiful Rowan and get her out of this Coach packaging. So I'm really excited about this one, y'all, because I've been wanting a Suede bag. I got a couple, but just weren't really happy with them, and I know I love a Rowan style bag, so I know I'm gonna love this one. All right, let's unwrap her. Oh, I can see the Suede, y'all. Yummy. All right, let me get all this packaging off here. So there she is in that beautiful brown Suede. All right, and it's packaged really nicely. Thank you, Coach. All right, let me get everything off of it, and we'll come back and I'll show you some close-up details of this beautiful little Suede baby. Mwah. All right, y'all, so I got her out of all the packaging, and here she is. Look at that beautiful brown Suede. It's so soft. Let me show you some close-up details after we do the 360 here. There is all of the sides of it. It has that zipper pocket on the back. Your D-rings on the side for the strap that came with it. It has a really nice strap I'm gonna show you in a minute. There is the bottom of the bag, and it has, of course, the little feet on it there, which I love. This leather feels really nice on it. All right, and of course it has the Coach logo and everything right there in that metal hardware in that beautiful gold color. All right, so let me show you some close-up details of this beautiful little Rowan. All right, y'all, so far I'm in love with this Suede bag. I just think it's really, really stunning. I love the color. I love the gold and the brown together. It does have some really nice handles on it as well. Let me show you just up close. The handles are very nice. It does have the Coach logoing on the silver hardware on these pieces here. And then on top, you're gonna have your zipper pulls here. And of course, they have the Coach logoing and everything on those. And then of course, I showed you the logo from that. It does come with a brown hang tag there and your little hang chain. So very nice on the front. And then of course, on the sides, you've got this beautiful leather. All of the rivets have Coach on it. Your D-ring on the side to attach your strap. Now on the back, you've got this nice long zipper pocket. It has the Coach zipper logo. And then on the inside, you have this really nice darker material. Let me get into it. So the inside of this has a really nice dark fabric material, and inside is kind of silky. Feels really good, and I think that's a nice size pocket on this large one. Like I said, this is my first large one. I do have a smaller one from the Pride collection, and that's my only other Rowan, so this is my second one. All right, so that is the outside of the bag. Let's open up the inside, and I'm gonna show you the interior on this bag. Nice zipper. All right, so it's got some stuffing in it. Let's get that out. All right, y'all, I got all the stuffing out of her, and there is the interior of the bag. Very, very nice. You've got your zipper pull and a long pocket there. It has the leather on the ends of it, the little leather tabs on that. You have your journey tag right there on it. Very, very nice. Let's open up the zipper pull. And the interior on that is very nice as well. You've got some Coach paperwork down in there. Okay. And so that's the interior. On the other side here, you do have another pocket here with a button that has got a leather trim there on it as well. Let me show you that a little bit more on close there. So yeah, so you have this nice little pocket with the button that will close. So very nice, and that is the interior of the bag. Let me show you the strap that came with it. All right, y'all, so here's the strap that came with it. It came with the dog leash style attachment pieces, and the strap is this really nice, beautiful leather, same color as the bottom of the bag. This is going to be a shoulder strap. It's not really going to be crossbody for me. It's not quite long enough. It comes with a buckle on it. The buckle has Coach on the front side of it right here, if you can see that. And then it also has a keeper as well, which I love. So just a nice strap, and be able to carry it over the shoulder, which I probably would mostly carry this by hand, but it will look pretty on this bag. Let me attach it and show you what it looks like. All right, so there is your D-ring on the side there, and it will attach right to it there. And there's your strap on the one side. And then on the opposite side here, we'll attach to the other D-ring. And then there's your strap on the bag. So very nice. And this is the length of it here. So yeah, I'll show you some mod shots so you can see what it looks like on me, just over my shoulder. All right, y'all, here she is. Let me show you what this bag looks like over the shoulder for me. Now, I am 6'2" and a pretty big guy, so it's not gonna be really long on me, but this is the shoulder strap here. And there's the drop on the shoulder strap on me. Like I said, I'm 6'2", so if you're smaller, it's gonna be a little bit longer on you. But this is a really nice strap. Let me try it crossbody, and I'll just show you what it looks like. So this is it crossbody on me. Kind of a shorter length, but it's okay. I might wear it like this, we'll see. I do have some alternative straps that I can change out if I want to, so I might do that if I decide to wear it crossbody, but I carry most of my bags like this, just with the handle, so that's probably how I'll be carrying it. So just down on my side like that. So, but it's really beautiful. I love this suede on it, and I think the brown is really beautiful against this gold as well. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments, please, about this bag, and does it fit me? I think it's beautiful, and I'm so happy to finally get a Rowan in the large size. So really, really happy with this purchase. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Coach Large Rowan in the suede with the gold hardware. I think she's simply stunning. Y'all, please let me know what you think about it in the comments. And y'all don't forget to tune in to watch my next video. It's going to be the unboxing of the turn lock in the love leather. I love my Empire in the love leather, so I know I'm going to love the turn lock as well. I actually saw it in Dillard's and I had to have it, but I didn't get it at the time, and I really regretted it. And I was just able to snatch it on Amazon. So I think it was the last one they had. So they are sold out unless you can get it on the secondary market. So definitely tune in to watch the unboxing of that video. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And don't forget to give this video a like if you will. I do appreciate that. And I'll see everybody on my next review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.